Here's how to convert MP4 to MKV video. So what I use is an app called ConvertSave, which I actually created, and it's a drag and drop file converter. So we take these MP4, we drag them into ConvertSave. We can really quickly select our format, so in this case MKV, and then hit convert. That's going to convert those video files to MKV format, and this works offline, no uploading to weird sketchy websites, and it works on Mac and Windows. It also works for images, video, and audio as well. And so I actually created this with my brother. He's a software developer. I wanted to build this app so that I could save time, convert things on my desktop really easily, and not have to go to find all these weird websites that I can't even do very many conversions on. So this one you can do thousands of conversions all at once if you want to. There's even some advanced settings in here. So we tried to leave it as like the highest quality possible conversion on any type of conversion. So you can just drag, drop, convert, save. And then there are these advanced features where by conversion, depending on what you're converting, you'll notice the tool that you're using where these advanced commands get sent. There's a primary and secondary command on these video conversions. The primary is like just a pure change the video container, which basically means we're not even touching the video or the audio. It's going to be a perfect copy. But sometimes that doesn't necessarily work because how a video is made or encoded might be different than what the new format can have. So we also do a secondary re-encoding if the first one fails, where it does all these really high quality settings. So you should get like a super high quality copy of your video in the new format. But this is the cool part. You have these custom commands you can add. And so you can like completely take over any of these commands with your own. And you might not know how to do that. So we made this options builder where you have basically some user-friendly settings like quality and a slider here, which just changes the command up here. So it generates that command for you depending on the tool that's being used for the conversion. And all the different settings in here are also based on whatever the conversion is that you're doing. Even if you're doing images, you'll see different settings in here like trimming, cropping or resizing or adding effects to your images. And on the video side, resolution, frame rate, stuff like that you can add in here and just build out your own custom command and apply that as the command you want to use for this conversion. So pretty cool stuff, some pretty advanced stuff, a lot of stuff you can do here with ConvertSave, and we're just going to be adding more. We're really excited about it. I hope you guys find some value in it, and maybe it's a great part of your workflow, and I hope it saves you some time. You can check it out at the link in the description or go to convertsave.com. Appreciate your support, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.